Release, release, release. Clean release.
A view into the future of space flight for the masses as a billionaire travels to the edge of outer space and back. Space tourism moved a giant step closer to reality today.
Yeah, super cool. Billionaire Richard Branson and his Virgin Galactic rocket ship ventured into space. KCAL Cara Finstrom shows us.
I was once a kid with a dream, looking up to the stars. And now I'm an adult in a spaceship.
Richard Branson just became the first billionaire to rocket to space, and about 90 minutes later, returned to talk about it.
Main gear touchdown.
Here on Earth, science enthusiasts watched it all stream live from the takeoff of the mothership in New Mexico to the release at about 45,000 feet of the rocket-powered spaceplane Unity.
Release, release, release. Clean release. Ignition?
And then this big blast upwards.
That is a full duration burn, folks. We are headed to space.
The 2,400-mile-per-hour ride took Branson and 3 other civilians 50 miles up to the inner edge of space. They got to experience weightlessness and to look at the Earth from one very different perspective.
It's a complete experience for a lifetime.
The giddy Branson beat out billionaire competitor Jeff Bezos, who's set to ride his company's rocket in coming days, and space baron Elon Musk. The price tag for upcoming civilian flights on Virgin Galactic's spaceplane, about $250,000. But space enthusiasts say the ultimate goal is to make space travel safer and more accessible, and to usher in a new age of exploration.
People understanding about science and technology and how that contributes to not only space travel, but the solutions for climate change, the understanding of how to use these science and technologies to solve our world's most pressing problems.
Cara Finstrom, KCAL 9 News.
The future is here, Amy.
Sure is.
And Jeff Bezos will be the next billionaire in space. He's set to blast off in 9 days. After landing today, Richard Branson wished Bezos a wonderful voyage.
Obviously, wish him the most wonderful voyage, and I hope he can have as wonderful a voyage as we had. And just do your training. You know, I mean, it's important to get that sort of 7 days of training before you go.
Fellow billionaire and SpaceX founder Elon Musk tweeted his congratulations to Richard Branson and Virgin Galactic. Musk also complimented Virgin Galactic on its New Mexico spaceport, calling it a cool design. Well, rather than racing into space himself, Musk Hawthorne-based SpaceX has focused on creating rockets and reusable rocket technology. SpaceX has become a contractor for NASA and private industry. It's launched hundreds of satellites into orbit, and earlier this year, SpaceX became the first private company to launch astronauts into space for NASA when one of it sent astronauts to the International Space Station aboard its Crew Dragon capsule.
Yeah, and if there's ever any media rides, call me.
You're ready to go.
I'm ready to go.